Jain friends, today we are going to learn Mathematics Chapter 1, Rational Numbers of Class 8, Exercise number 1. The given first question is, as you are able to see on the screen, using appropriative properties find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. And the second one is 2 by 5 into 3 by minus 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. I hope that you have understood the question. The question is about using appropriative properties, we have to find the values of the given question. Let's solve the first one. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. By using appropriative properties, we can write this question by minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. And by using distributive property, we can also write the given in distributive property by 3 by 5 of minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Let's solve this. 3 by 5 of minus 4 by 6 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. And next minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Then we can also write this as minus 1 plus 5 by 2 because the denominators are equal. We have took the LCM of the given numbers. Then we can write 4 by 2. If we cancel 4 by 2, we can get the answer 2. And the second one, 2 by 5 into 3 by minus 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. By using associative property, we can write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. We have took minus 3 by 7 because we have done the reciprocal of the 3 by minus 7. Then we can get minus 3 by 7. Then by using distributive property, we can write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Then equals to 2 by 5 into minus 6 plus 1 by 14 minus 4. Then we can write 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Then minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4 equals to, we have to take the LCM of the 7 and 4. Then we can get the LCM as 28. Then minus 4 minus 7 divided by 28. Minus 4 minus 7, then we can write this as minus 11 by 28. And the answer is minus 11 by 28. Let's go to the second question. Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. The first one is 2 by 8. Second one is minus 5 by 9. Third one minus 6 by minus 5. Fourth one 2 by minus 9. Fifth one 19 by minus 6. First of all, we have to know the what do you mean by additive inverse. Let's know what do we mean by additive inverse. We know that additive inverse of a rational number a by b is minus a by b, such that a plus b plus minus a by b, then we can get the answer 0. Let's solve the given questions. First one 2 by 8. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Second one minus 5 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Third one minus 6 divided by minus 5. Additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Fourth one 2 by minus 9. Additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. Fifth one 19 by minus 6. Additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. Question number 3. Verify that minus of minus x is equals to x for if x is equals to 11 by 15. Second one is x is equals to minus 13 by 17. According to the question, we have to keep the given x value in the place of x, and the first one we have to solve. First one is x is equals to 15 by 11 by 15. Putting x is equals to 11 by 15 in minus of minus x is equals to x, then we can write minus of minus 11 by 15 is equals to 11 by 15, and in the RHS 11 by 15 is equals to 11 by 15. According to this, LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is verified. And the second one, x is equals to minus 13 by 17. Putting x is equals to minus 13 by 17 in minus of minus x is equals to x. Minus of minus 13 by 17 is equals to minus 13 by 17. In the RHS, minus 13 by 17 is equals to minus 13 by 17. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First one is minus 13. Second one minus 13 by 19. Third one 1 by 5. Fourth one minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Fifth one minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Sixth one minus 1. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by multiplicative inverse. Let us know what do we mean by multiplicative inverse. We know that multiplicative inverse of a rational number a is 1 by a, such that a into 1 by a is equals to 1. Let's solve the given questions. Second one. First one, minus 13. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. Second one, minus 13 by 19. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is minus 19 by 13. Third one, multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. Fourth one, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7 is 15 by 56. Then multiplicative inverse of the fourth one is 56 by 15. Fifth one, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 is equals to 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is equals to 1 by minus 1. Let's solve the next question. Question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in which of the following. First one, minus 4 into 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Second one, minus 13 by 17 is into minus 2 by 7 is equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Third one, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equals to 1. We have to find that which property did they use. In the first question, they have used 1 is the multiplicative identity. In the second one, they have used commutative property. In the third one, they have used multiplicative inverse property. Let's solve the next question. Question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. The reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. According to the question, we have to do multiply of the given both numbers. Then we we can do multiplication. 6 by 13 into minus 6 by 7 is equals to minus 96 by 91. This we have got by multiplication. 6 into minus 16 is equals to minus 96. 3 into 7 is equals to 91. Let's solve the next one. Question number 7. Tell what property allows you to complete 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. We have to find by which property the given question they have written. They have written the given question by using associative property of multiplication. A into of B into C is equals to of A into B into C. Next question. Question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8? Why or why not? Solution. Since multiplicative inverse of a rational number A is 1 by A, if A into 1 by A is equals to 1. We have learned what do we mean by multiplicative inverse. Therefore, 8 by 9 into of minus 1, 1 by 8 is equals to 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. We have to solve the mixed fraction first. 8 into 1, 8 into minus 1 is equals to minus 1, minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is equals to minus 9. Then we can write 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8 is equals to minus 1. But its product must be positive 1 because according to the question, according to the multiplicative inverse, A into 1 by A is equals to 1. It is a positive 1, but we have got negative 1. Therefore, 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8. Let's solve the next question. Question number 9. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3, 1 by 3? Why or why not? Since multiplicative inverse of a rational number A is 1 by A, if A into 1 by A is equals to 1. According to the question, we have to prove that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, 0.3 into 3, 1 by 3. First of all, we have to solve the mixed fraction. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then we can write 3 by 10 into 10 by 3 is equals to 1. Therefore, S 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3, 1 by 3. Because we have got a positive 1 as answer, then it follows multiplicative inverse of a rational number. Let's solve the question number 10. Write the first one. First question is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Second one, the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. Third one, the rational number that is equal to its negative. First one is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. First one answer is 0 because if 0 does not have a reciprocal. Second one, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals 1 and minus 1. Third one, the rational numbers that is equal to its negative. The answer is 0. If we write negative 0 also the value is same, positive 0 also the value is same. So the answer is 0. Let's solve the next question. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. First one, 0 has dash reciprocals. There are no reciprocals for 0. Second one, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. Third one, The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. Fourth one, reciprocal of 1 by x where x not equal to 0 is x. Fifth one, the product of two rational numbers is always a rational numbers. If example, if we do two product of two rational numbers, we can get the answer rational number. Sixth one, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive.